Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have the delonghi magnifica S espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the water pump and the membrane of the water pump, the one that you see right here. And that was because the machine was having a ground to find error. Usually it's an error related to water, the machine not detecting water going through the whole system.
Are you picking up?
So starting one shot of espresso and test out this machine. Then we're going to use the hot water and then the steam.
Thomas? 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 What's your name?
We're gonna be doing a double long coffee instead of a shot of espresso for this machine. As you can see, we're having good water flow coming out from the machine, good color, no error ground to find or anything like that. That's the reason we're doing a double shot, so we can run a lot of water through the whole machine. Steady stream of coffee, and again good color and good smell as well. Perfect, we got a double shot for long coffee. Now let's use the hot water. As you can see, steady stream as well, working perfectly fine. And now for the steamer. As I start to get some pressure, you can see working perfectly fine, having excellent pressure and really good temperature. And there you have it, the delonghi magnifica is working once again. So thank you for preparing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.